My name is Hegira Meka.
Hey, Jirameka, thank you so much for coming.
Yes.
Because today, thank you so much for coming. And also, I know that maybe I heard that you're from IT, right?
Yes.
IT. Okay, so as we know that IT, it's very aspect that change every day,
Yes.
right? So, do you think the change is good?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Change is good. And I think it's important because it helps us to grow and also improve. But sometimes it's hard to do change.
Okay, so that's you think that change is important. What about in IT?
Yes, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Because the first is with about the skill in IT, of course. We can't just we can just learn one things in IT because we must always uh, follow the new technologies in IT. So we must do change. So we must learn new technologies, new programming language, and something like that.
All right, and so in your country, what about in your country? Is your country changing rapidly?
Yes, I think so. I think Indonesia change fast because, especially in city and technologies and also transportation. For city, for example, we can see now in Indonesia we have a lot of big malls and a tall building that built in our cities, and also for the transformation here we have a lot of cars and also motorcycle, and I heard that we have electric scooters. Yes.
Okay, wow. So right now it's happening in Indonesia, right?
Yes.
All right then. So what do you think about the weakness of the changes in Indonesia?
Mm, the because of the changes, I think of the changes maybe for the technology. Actually, it's not bad. It's not a weakness, but I see the negative things from that. Uh, when technology major change of technology comes, I see that a lot of people that become more lazy, and also they're less social, something like that. When with when technology change become more better, we have a smartphone, right? And we can do many things in here, like we can buy foods, we can do communication from our phone, and that make people lazy. Yes.
Yes, I know, I know. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's one of the weakness of the
Yes.
changes rapidly, right? So how? I think that's also will be impactful to the person. Maybe the changes will be good for our like young generation.
Yes.
What do you do all people not accept? Why do all people? What about like the old people? Maybe they don't ready for do forget the changes. So why do all people not accept the changes?
I think all people feels afraid with new things or unknown things, and maybe they just think that everything's fine as far as they're used to old ways, something like that.
All right, that's all. So that's also the problem of in this country. Yeah, I heard. All right then. So, do you find some case that maybe like because of the changes, especially in technology, the people that can change also the people's life?
Yes. What can you repeat? Sorry.
Okay, in what ways have changes in technology changed people's life?
Like they're more easier to do many things with smartphone. Like they can get information quickly. They also can buy without go out from home, and also they can work also from technology. Like they can do remote work. Yes.
Okay. So also that's a lot of impact for the people life because of the changes of the technology. So what about your life?
my life.
Because of these changes, do you feel any differences?
Actually, I not feel when I mean it's about technology. Actually, I feel like it's very help for me because especially I do IT. So like not just technology, it's like about the AI, something like that. So it's make us easier to learn, to know many things without we waste our time. So we just search in internet and it's make my studies easy also. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your attention and also your attention today. You can get more attention. You get more information later. I will send you by email. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.